Hi, let's review vocabulary with me. Music performance. Music performance. Music performance means buổi biểu diễn âm nhạc, right? The music performance was really exciting. The music performance was really exciting. Fashion show. Fashion show. Fashion show. There are a lot of people in the fashion show. There are a lot of people in the fashion show. Talent show. Talent show. He joined in a talent show last year. He joined in a talent show last year. Puppet show. Puppet show. My father often takes me to a puppet show on the weekend. My father often takes me to a puppet show on the weekend. Good. Các em cố gắng đọc theo cô nhé. Tug of war. Tug of war. Tug of war. My class is taking part in a tug of war competition this weekend. My class is taking part in a tug of war competition this weekend. Good job. Food stand. Food stand. Food stand. The food stand opens from 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. every day. The food stand opens from 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. every day. Ok, như vậy cô trò chúng ta vừa cùng nhau khám phá cùng nhau ôn tập lại nội dung bài vừa trước nhé. Chúc các em ôn tập vui vẻ và nhớ bài thật tốt nha. Các bạn nhớ làm bài tập và viết từ mới. Cô giáo sẽ kiểm tra ở trên lớp sau nha. Bye bye guys.